Let's explore 3 genius ways to save money on cruises, ensuring that you will get the most bang for your buck while enjoying your hard-earned cruise vacation. Have you ever noticed that some people who are on the same cruise as you claim that they are traveling for way less than what you paid? Well, I'm here to help, and at the end of this video, I'll share with you an additional bonus tip. So let's dive right in to see how you can keep your cruise costs down. The cost of a cruise adds up quickly. When it's all said and done and you're at home calculating how much you actually spent on your cruise, you may be in shock. It isn't cheap. You've got the price of the cruise, the travel fees, the onboard expenses, the excursions. It's no wonder that so many people feel overwhelmed and end up spending way more than they planned. The challenge is to enjoy your cruise without feeling guilty about all that money flying out of the window. But fear not, there are ways to tackle these costs head on. So what can you do? First up, consider booking your cruise during an off-peak season. This means try to avoid booking your cruise during the holidays like Christmas, March break, or even the summer. If you can travel in the late fall or the early spring when fewer people are booking, you would likely get that same cruise for a lesser price. In addition to this, you could also add the strategy of either booking early to get early bird discounts or book last minute to take advantage of unsold cabins closer to the departure date. They usually sell for a great value. My next suggestion is for you to be really in the know about your cruise line. So find out all you can about their deals and discounts by keeping an eye out for special promotions. Sign up for newsletters and follow your favorite cruise companies on social media. They often share flash sales, and you could take advantage of some amazing last-minute deals. In addition to this, I would really encourage you to be aware of the loyalty program that's associated with the cruise line that you're considering traveling on. Those points and benefits can really add up to some serious savings on your future trips. I made an in-depth video for you that really explains the best ways to save and to get money on your cruise. It's called Get Your Free Cruise Cash. It goes through several strategies on how to use the cruise line loyalty programs and how to get hundreds, if not thousands of dollars of additional onboard spending dollars. Watch it all the way through. There is something there for everyone, from first-time cruisers to the most seasoned of cruisers. And number 3, you need to review smart spending habits, particularly when it comes to booking excursions and purchasing onboard packages. I know that it's really tempting to book excursions, wine tastings, and cruise drink packages, for example. But without the proper time and research, or without the benefit of calculation or investigation, you will likely overpay. For excursions, you can often find better deals on your own. Consider taking independent tour companies or going on your own exploration. A lot of independent excursions are customizable, and you just may discover some hidden gems that are way less expensive to see with a smaller group and offer more of an authentic experience. Just be sure to take the time to look at the reviews and travel forums to make sure that they are reputable. And as for onboard expenses, take the time to evaluate what is being offered and calculate whether it's a good deal for you. Examine the fine print. Evaluate if the packages make sense to you. Remember that the cruise lines like to make money too. And so the key insight here is to understand how timing and research can dramatically reduce your overall cruise expenses. By planning ahead and being savvy about when and how you book your cruise, you can enjoy all the fun and relaxation without the financial stress. These 3 genius ways to save money are all centered around your strategic planning. Remember, it's all about timing, finding the right deals, and being smart with your spending. With these tips in your back pocket, you're ready to set sail without breaking the bank. So here's a little bonus tip for you. Kirk and I love to save money on cruises, and we're always bringing reusable water bottles with us. It's easy to fill up at water stations around the ship for free. It saves us a ton of money on bottled water, and it keeps us hydrated. I've posted the Get Free Cruise Cash video here, and I suggest that you watch the whole thing as it's really informative, and it was made especially for those of you who really want to know the best information on saving and getting money on cruises. Lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Let us know your best money saving tips in the comments below, right after you subscribe. Happy cruising!